Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Infiniti Q50 headliner. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's battery. Next, gently pull away the rubber weather stripping that lines all four door frames. This creates necessary clearance. Then, carefully pry off the lens of the overhead dome light assembly. Remove any visible mounting screws and disconnect its electrical connector. Now let's tackle the sun visors. Use a small flathead tool to pry off the plastic covers, revealing two Phillips head screws. Remove these screws, then carefully disconnect the electrical plug. For the grab handles, locate the small tab on the side. Depress this tab, then slide the handle forward and upward to release its two fixing pawls. Repeat for all grab handles. Next, we'll remove the pillar trim pieces. For the A-pillars, pull firmly from the top edge, working your way down to release the clips. Be mindful of the anchor clip, which secures the trim during airbag deployment. Carefully detach it. For the C-pillar trim, remove any securing bolts, typically one, then pull the panel upward to release its retaining clips. With all attached components removed, disconnect any final electrical connections, like those for vanity mirrors or sensors. The headliner is now mostly held by several Velcro strips and a few remaining clips. Gently pull the headliner down from the roof, working around the edges. Once fully detached, carefully angle and maneuver the entire headliner assembly out of the vehicle, typically through one of the rear door openings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.